All you need to mine CYLE is an internet connection, a browser, and please make sure you have the MetaMask extension installed in your browser. If you see a little fox on the top right of your browser window, you're good to go. If you're not sure how to do this, please visit the MetaMask website for more information. Now, go to the CYLE website. Our site communicates directly with the blockchain, so you need to type in your password in the MetaMask pop-up, as you can see here, and click on Login. Next, click on Connect, and the connection between CYLE and your wallet is successfully established. Okay, you're on the CYLE main page, and to start mining, you either click on Start Mining or on the Dashboard button on the top right. Both actions will lead you to your CYLE dashboard. Here, you can check your balance and whether you've registered as a masternode. We provided detailed information on that in another video, so you don't have to worry about that now. By scrolling down, you'll find an overview with key information on CYLE, including supplies and what you can expect as rewards for mining and staking. But to actually start the mining process, click on Start Mining. A MetaMask pop-up appears, presenting you details on your planned action, as well as the gas fee the mining will cost you. If you want to speed up the process, which might raise the fee a bit, click on Edit, just above the fee. Otherwise, or after you have edited the gas fee, click on Confirm, and that's it. Now you just have to wait a bit, until you see a little pop-up confirming that the transaction has been successful. Then, reload the dashboard page to see your new balance. You may recognize that the Start Mining button now looks a bit different and can't be activated anymore. This is because we allow every account one successful mining attempt a day, so please wait accordingly before mining again.